Wind can be a powerful force, but when it forms into the swirling mass of a hurricane, it can cause a whole new level of destruction. Hurricanes, cyclones, typhoons. Tropical storms with constant wind speeds that can race at over 200 kilometers per hour. The terms hurricane and typhoon are regionally specific names for a tropical cyclone. Hurricanes form over the Caribbean, East Pacific, and the Atlantic Ocean. A hurricane is formed over warm oceans. Evaporation starts to occur, and warm, moist air begins to rise. The warm, rising air leaves an area of low pressure near the surface. As this air is replaced, it too will warm and rise upwards, creating a cycle of upward moving warm air. Eventually, towering storm clouds are formed as the warm air cools and condenses. Due to wind direction and the rotation of the Earth, known as the Coriolis effect, the storm begins to spin. The cylindrical storm moves over the ocean, using the ocean's heat as fuel. It gets larger and faster, and when wind speeds within the tropical storm reach 119 kilometers per hour, it is defined as a hurricane. Viewed from above, the massive cloud reveals the true size of a hurricane. They are hundreds of kilometers across. The storm circles around the center, called the eye, which is completely still and calm. The hurricane's course is unpredictable, but when it hits land, the effects are all too certain. Temperature and pressure drop dramatically as the storm approaches. A battering of wind and torrential rain announces its arrival, and the accompanying storm surge, caused by the hurricane's downward pressure on the ocean as it moves to shore, creates huge waves and extensive flooding. The hurricane loses energy as it moves inland, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake.